In the dark corners of history, few events have cast a shadow as long and as deep as COVID-19. It all began in December 2019, in the bustling city of Wuhan, China. A mysterious virus emerged, triggering alarm bells across the globe. By January 30th, 2020, the World Health Organization declared a public health emergency of international concern. Less than 2 months later, on March 11th, 2020, it was proclaimed a pandemic. The first cases in the United States surfaced in January 2020. Washington State was the epicenter. As the virus spread, fear and confusion gripped the world. Governments scrambled to respond. On January 31st, 2020, the US declared a public health emergency, followed by a national emergency on March 13th. February 2020 saw COVID-19 infiltrate every continent, sparing only Antarctica. Lockdowns ensued, travel halted, and social distancing became the new norm. The US Department of Defense deployed hospital ships, and a $2 trillion relief package was signed on March 27, 2020. As hope dwindled, scientists raced against time. By December 2020, the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines received emergency use authorization. Full approval for Pfizer's Comirnaty came on August 23, 2021. The Biden administration continued the fight, signing the American Rescue Plan Act in March 2021. By June, the US began donating vaccines globally, but the battle was far from over. A new chapter began in 2023. The national emergency ended on April 10th. The FDA simplified vaccine guidelines on April 18th. By May 11th, the public health emergency expired. However, vigilance remained crucial. New variants kept the world on edge. Cancer patients faced an increased risk of severe COVID-19 illness. Screenings plummeted, especially in April 2020. Racial and ethnic disparities were starkly evident. The CDC adapted, providing guidance to protect these vulnerable groups. Long COVID emerged, haunting survivors with lingering symptoms. Mental health took a hit as isolation and economic turmoil spread despair. By July 2023, over 770 million cases and 6.9 million deaths were recorded globally. The US alone mourned over 1 million deaths by May 2022. The world watched as the pandemic's dark tale unfolded. Empty streets, overflowing hospitals, and endless government briefings painted a grim picture, but amidst the darkness, glimpses of hope shone through. COVID, the 19th of May, have reshaped our reality, but it also revealed the resilience of the human spirit. As we reflect on this harrowing journey, let's remember the lessons learned and the lives lost. For in the shadow of the pandemic, we found strength, unity, and an unwavering will to overcome.